Hello everyone and welcome to my channel on Hook Crochet, where we talk about wearable crochet style. And let's find out what's on the hook today. Well, on the hook is our giveaway winner announcements, and there will be 3 winners today, as y'all very well know. I received a lot of comments on the video from Monday, and they were wonderful. Y'all are so generous. And most of the ladies that answered me, they were going to give away some things at Christmas. And they were Afghans and scarves and hats, things like that. And they were giving them to, y'all were giving them to homeless people and elderly and family members. But nothing for yourselves, which is fine. Yet Christmas we think about other people and we usually give things away. But I would hope that at some point, either before or after Christmas, you might spend a little time crocheting something for yourself, even if it's just a hat or a scarf or something pretty that you can wear at Christmas. Maybe something red, you never know. So I encourage y'all to crochet for yourselves in addition to giving away items, because that is a gift that we give to ourselves, is when we're giving away to others. So I appreciate your comments. I appreciate everyone writing to me. Some were long comments. I read every word of every one, because it makes me feel wonderful that I can get a community together where y'all were actually talking to each other, and some of the replies were replied to by other people in the comment section. So I was glad to see that as well. So really quickly today, we are giving away 3 prizes, and I'll quickly just show you what they are. If you're not familiar with this, they are the Market Tote kit that came from Lion Brand. It has 3 balls of 24/7 cotton in a beautiful turquoise, and the pattern that is now paid pattern will go to you. So the kit and the paid pattern will go to giveaway winner number 1. Giveaway winner number 2 will receive a Caron cotton cake. And this is in the colorway Nested Blues. It is very beautiful, brown and blue. I really, really like this. 530 yards on this cake. I really like this. It's very easy to work with, and I have made an item out of it, and I really liked it. So I'm going to give this away to giveaway winner number 2. Giveaway winner number 3 will receive 4 skeins plus 1 partial of cotton on denim in the pink color that I had the sweater on Monday, and you saw that. Very nice yarn, and I'm not going to be using it, so I'm going to pass it along to giveaway winner number 3. So without further ado, I'm going to point the camera to my computer, and you'll see who wins these 3 prizes. Okay, here we are in front of our computer, and I have put the URL in there from last Monday's video, and I'm going to click Get YouTube Comments. So there were, and it's a grand total of unique comments, 648. The winner is Helen Shimskowski. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. So Helen, you are the winner of giveaway number 1, which is the Market Tote Kit. All right, let's pick another winner and see what happens. This is the winner of the Caron Cotton Cake. And that winner is Donna Pollock. And Donna has a nice comment. I'd like to finish a sweater for my mother, who is 100 years young. So Donna, that would be awesome. I hope you get to do that for your mom. And let's pick another winner for giveaway number 3. And let's start it up. Let's see who wins this one. Winner is Rose Abraham. Rose, you are the winner of the pink cotton on denim yarn. And Rose says, thanks for the nice giveaway. My unfinished projects are a poncho for my daughter and a blanket for my grandson. All right, well, maybe you can finish those and then start to work on something for you. So the 3rd winner is Rose Abraham. Congratulations to all the winners. Okay, so there we have it. Helen, Donna, and Rose, congratulations. You have won the giveaways from On the Hook Crochet. I sponsored this. I bought these things, so just so you know that YouTube was not a sponsor, and none of the companies were a sponsor either. I wanted to let you know that I haven't asked in a long time for y'all to subscribe to my channel because a lot of people go ahead and do that anyway. But if you haven't subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you would just hit that little button down there that says subscribe and subscribe to my channel. And if you like what I'm doing, hit the like. And if you want to comment and ask me to do something, I'll be glad to do that. Now, those who've asked me about tutorials, I would love to do some tutorials. I have to be set up to do those, and so I have to work on getting a station where I can go and do a tutorial. And I'll probably not be able to do that until after Christmas. But before that, I will be writing down some patterns, and I have something that I'm working on right now that is different and unusual and easy. So I'm excited about that. Not sure when I'll get it out the door. Hopefully one day this week, and y'all can take a look at it. And if I have the pattern outline done, I'll send it to you just like I did this. I had over 150 requests for the written pattern outline for the lavender and lace top. So I was really excited to see everybody be so interested. When I write down the instructions for the next top, I will have them available, and you can do the same thing you did this time. Just send me an email and I will send it to you as an attachment. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for subscribing and for liking my videos. I really appreciate it. I have now passed the 3,000 mark, and thank you all for being so supportive and so giving to each other and to me as well. I appreciate all the kind words and the thoughts that you send in your comments. So just know that I read them all, and I really appreciate every comment that y'all leave me. So join me next time to find out what's on the hook.